Hey Sag, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. We're going to have a look at your weekly love reading from 13th to the 19th of December 2021. Let's see, what do we have for Sagittarius? Give me the overall energy for Sagittarius in love. 13th to 19th December. Overall energy for Sagittarius in love, please. Give me the overall energy for the person that Sagittarius is dealing with in love. 13th to the 19th of December, please. What is this person's overall energy? The person that Sagittarius has on mind. What is this person's overall energy towards Sagittarius in love? Sag, the person that you're dealing with, right? This person is wanting to take a leap of faith. They want to invest long term into you, okay? But the problem here is that this person is not a risk taker. That's the problem out here. They're not really someone who wants to just jump in head first, take a leap of faith, take that risk. For a few of you, maybe this person is someone, who, every single time they come back, right, you feel that they're going to commit. They come in with that full force, right? Like that Knight of Wandish energy, not Wandish, Knight of Wands energy. And they come in full force, right? And you're like, oh yeah, this time around, we're just so going to be committed. We're just, this is it, right? And now we start a new cycle, etc. So this person here keeps coming in and out of your life. Very unstable energy, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So it's like, they will come towards you, they love you, they want you only. But when it comes to taking something to the next level or taking things more serious in life, right, that's something that they can't handle. They get cold feet, so they run away. I feel this person now wants to invest into you long term. Okay. But the only problem is that A, they're not a risk taker, like I said. B, this person could have trust issues. C, this person out here is someone who's like, well, I don't mind investing into SAT, but what if this turns out to be a disappointment? What if I don't get the fruits of labor? Or what if this is just going to be a waste of time? You get what I'm saying? Something is making them feel like what it's like they don't have that agenda, right? What's going to happen in the future. So they keep procrastinating, all right? But they do want long term investment with you. You, Sagittarius, baby doll, you're like, I'm out. You're out. There's this change of feelings you have for this person, and now you're like, I don't know what the hell to do. You could have been in this energy, of being stuck in this person's in the connection with this person, or just like, I don't know what to do, a lot of negative thoughts, or you just feel so restricted to this person. But I feel for a lot of you, it's changing. It's changing. You're changing. There's a major shift. Okay. And I feel for a lot of you, you're going to take action towards what you want to do. It's like you're going to get up and make shit happen. Like if this person's not going to do that for me, I'm going to go ahead and do what's good for me, is what I'm getting here. Okay. What does Sagittarius feel for this person deep down? What does Sagittarius feel for this person deep down? 13th to 19th December, please. Give me Sagittarius' feelings for this person. What does this person feel for Sagittarius deep down? What does this person feel for Sagittarius deep down? Okay. Sag, this person, first of all, let's talk about them. Actually, no, let's talk about you first. So, Sag, you do love this person very, very much. There is this strong connection, this bond that you feel, okay? And it's not something where it's a one sided situation here. It's not unrequited love. You know that they feel the same for you. You would want to invest into this connection, but now you're coming to a pause. Okay, exactly like how right now they are at a pause because they haven't started to invest, but they know that they want to invest into your long term. Okay, and they now want to start putting in the effort. You, on the other hand, here now in your feelings, you're like, well, I did the work. I put in my 100%. I put in the 80-90% work that I did. But now, somewhere, somehow, you're realizing where this was a waste of time. It's like, I know I love them. I know they love me. I know the pull is there. I know there's this emotional attachment. I know we make an amazing couple. But is this the right person for me to invest? Or is this person just wasting my time? So, right now you have come to a complete pause because things have been pretty disappointing for you, which is why you probably were living in some illusion, Sat, where you probably felt that this person will commit to you or things were going better somewhere else. This person probably showed you a lot of illusions, or at least they led you on somewhere. But there was a breakup, there was a shakeup in the past out here where you just realized that something wasn't what it seemed to be. Okay, so there was like a life altering event that went through. It's usually a breakup. Okay, if you're married, then this could be a divorce or just something that was revealed to you all of a sudden, which was a big disappointment. Could be some kind of communication here. All right, that came in, or some information that you found out. Now, this person out here and their feelings out here, they do want to make this happen. They do want to make this happen. This person here could be at a distance from you. A. Secondly, this person here could be someone here, they do want to, but they're they're not so driven, okay? That enthusiasm, that willingness, that sheer passion and determination to, move forward, cutting any obstacles that come between you and them, that's kind of missing. Okay, that's kind of missing out here because every single time they think of just coming towards you and they want to be on the loose, they kind of pull away because the overthinking stops them. This person is a big overthinker out here. See, Seven of Pentacles, Four of Swords. There's so much thinking out here. They're probably thinking a lot about themselves too. Like, is this going to be a good investment or not? They want to take action towards you. So I feel for a lot of you, if you guys have been in a circle with this person over and over and over again, so your circle came to an end, you cut this person off, they cut you off, take it how it resonates. There was a breakup, a separation, time apart. Again, they want to come back. So they're going around in circles with you because they know the connection is there. They want all that love from you, but the kind of investment that you're looking for, Sagittarius, it's not coming yet. It's not coming yet. This person is a little aggressive for a few of you, let me tell you. So when they want something from you, they'll see to it that they get it. And if they don't get it from you, they'll just probably put the entire blame on you. But they just think too much, is what I'm getting. They think too much, okay? They want to take it slow. They want to hold back from making any impulsive responses, etc. out here, okay? The passion is there, the attraction is there, but it's more like, I want to start. So they want to keep restarting, They want to keep restarting the cycle again and again. And of course, this is someone who's very, very slow, very slow. They are very cool, calm, collected. Again, I don't see impulsive moves from this person's side, okay? Yeah. Tell me, what are Sagittarius's intentions towards this person that they're dealing with? What are Sagittarius's intentions towards this person that they're dealing with? Sagittarius's intentions. What are this person's intentions towards Sagittarius? This person's intentions towards Sagittarius, please. Okay. Let's start with you. Sag, right now you are in this point where you don't know what the hell is going on in this connection. There's no clarity. You just don't know where you're headed or where this connection is headed in the future. You're trying your best to stay very hopeful and having faith in the universe that things will eventually work out if this is meant to be. You're trying to stay very cool, calm, collected, okay? And again, it's a lot of you leaving things to the universe, okay? There is no pushing from your side. There is no trying to control the outcome from your side. You're exercising a lot of self-control, Sag. I feel you're no more in that energy where I want a yes or a no. Are we doing this or not? So there's nothing like that from you. It's just all of a sudden, it's like this calm after the storm out here. You just want things balanced out here. You don't want any chaos. You don't want any drama. I feel for a lot of you, you are holding on to this connection. No matter how unclear it is, no matter how foggy it is, you may have not made up your mind or you may not know what's going on, but there is this still one last want left before you end this connection and completely let the cycle go. There's this one last hope left, okay, from your side, where it's like, you know what, I've never tried to let this connection go and see if it comes back. So while keeping this person in your mind, where if it's meant to be, it's meant to be, you're still holding on to the connection, not completely given up, because you do feel the connection still so strong out here, but it's like you're still trying to move forward, okay, still trying to move forward. Your person out here, their intentions are to offer you something more, okay, but they have a lot of fear of rejection. They feel they're going to be ignored. They want to offer you something more, or they want to offer you something, okay, but they just feel they're going to be ignored, all right, because in the past they must have done the same thing. They must have just given you bits and pieces to keep you around, okay, and now you know their game. You know exactly how they come back into your life, okay, with those new cycles again and again, with those restart buttons every time, right? And they come, they give you a little bit to keep you around, and then they, and then there's these fights and arguments, and again they go away. They know that things have ended between you both, okay? They know that things ended badly. Maybe this person even feels backstabbed or betrayed by you. For what? I don't know. But they do feel mentally exhausted when they think of this connection. But I feel that this person does know that this is a dead situation, or it's a situation that's dying slowly. However, they are still in two minds. Do they want to revive this connection, or do they want to completely let it go? For a few of you, maybe this person here has two options, you and someone else. Now, both the options could be like very similar, so they can't make up their mind. This is if you know that they have a third person. If this is not another person, that this is just somebody who's being very selfish and choosing to see what is best for them. Okay, they're trying to weigh out the pros and cons. They haven't made up their mind yet, but again, that's what they're choosing to do. Maybe for a few of you, this person wants to end a connection that they have right now, and they want to come towards you and give you what you deserve. They're willing to invest into the future of the connection. For the others of you, this person's still thinking about, do they want to invest into you, or should they just keep it on hold, which they already are. They're keeping things on hold. This person's taking their own sweet time. They're in no hurry to come towards you, Saj. So keep that in mind. They're not in a hurry. You may keep holding on to it. I like that, but yeah, you're being stubborn too, right? Sad. You're being stubborn too. You want a brand new beginning out here, but there is this rigid energy from your side. There's no compromise sign. Like, no, I'm not compromising. And reaching out, for sure, I'm not reaching out. What is the mutual energy for Sagittarius and the person they're dealing with? 13th to 19th December. What is the mutual energy for Sagittarius? Mutual energy for Sagittarius and the person they're dealing with. What is the mutual energy? Right. Both of y'all are at a crossroads. Okay. Both of y'all want to put a rest to this situation that is dying between you both. So either both of y'all want to put this entire turbulent energy between you both to complete an end, to a complete end out here, or both of you all want end and move forward and go into your own way so that you both can have peace, or both of you all are at a crossroads where, you know what, let's stop this bullshit, let's make a choice, let's make a decision and move forward together. But both of you all are at a crossroads right now, okay, because this is a very strong spiritual connection, Sagittarius. This is not going to be easy to break through. Okay, so you're both at it in two minds right now. What do we do? What do we do? What do we want to do? Okay. Yeah, both of y'all are needing to make a choice out here. Okay, you both have a decision to make. This is a mutual energy. It's not only them, it's you too. Because see how you're still waiting for them, so you haven't made up your mind. And see how this person here is going back and forth, so they haven't made up their mind. What is the weekly outcome for Sagittarius and the person they're dealing with? What is the weekly outcome? What is the weekly outcome for Sagittarius and the person they're dealing with? What is the weekly outcome? 13th to the 19th December. Weekly outcome. Wow. Wow, there is a new beginning here, and the beginning has the chances of reaching into a commitment. There is going to be a small change of luck, okay? And it's going to be something that's going to make you very happy And eventually there's going to be forward movement, which is going to lead to some kind of long-term commitment. Congratulations, Sagittarius. This is beautiful. Wow. That's a long term. That's going to be something that's going to be very, very grounded. Okay. And it's going to lead to something very, very committed out here. Yeah. I guess this person's eventually going to make up their mind and they're going to come towards you. But whatever it is, right? Say 13th to the 19th, right? So it may go on till the end of December somewhere, okay? But I feel most of you may get into some kind of commitment, okay, with this person out here, because that's the weekly outcome for you guys. Or for a few of you, you may be in a commitment with a new person out here. But whatever their outcome is, there is a change of luck out here. Something that was stuck and stagnant is quickly going to change, and it's going to come in with some kind of happiness. Whatever the happiness comes in, right? It's moving towards something long term, something very, very grounded, and it's going to lead to commitment. Congratulations, guys. This is beautiful. So let me know in the comments below if this happens, all right? I'll be very excited to hear from you. So do like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.